What if you fell into the most terrifying monster in the universe, a black hole? Would you die instantly? Or would you see something humanity has never witnessed before? Let's jump into a spaceship and dive right in. From far away, it doesn't look like an empty pit. It looks like a giant, glowing ring of fire. This is the accretion disk. It's made of shredded stars and cosmic debris, spinning at nearly the speed of light and burning at millions of degrees. As you push through this inferno, a pitch-black boundary appears in front of you. Science calls this the event horizon. This is the door of death, the point of no return. Gravity here is so intense that not even light can escape it. This is where Einstein's theory of relativity works its magic. If a friend watched you falling in from a safe distance, they would never actually see you cross the edge. Because of the extreme gravity, time drastically slows down for you. To them, you would slowly turn red and then freeze like a photograph on the edge of the event horizon forever. But your reality would be completely different. You would keep falling into this terrifying, bottomless, dark pit without stopping. If you looked back, time would speed up so much that you'd watch the entire future of the universe play out in fast forward. Now, you've crossed the event horizon. It's pitch black. You see nothing. But this journey isn't over yet. And your body starts stretching like a piece of rubber. This horrifying process is called spaghettification. Last time, we explored how space and time warp the moment you get too close to a black hole. As we push deeper past the outer rings, we reach the ultimate threshold from which there is no return. Welcome to the event horizon. Here, the laws of physics completely break down. Even light, the fastest traveler in the universe, is caught in this gravitational trap. Trapped in an eternal orbit, unable to look back, plunging further down into the absolute core. Where space loses all meaning. And there it lies, waiting in the dark. The singularity. Infinite mass compressed into a point smaller than zero. Where our science textbooks end and the real mysteries begin. After the extreme stretching, you have now reached the absolute center of the black hole, the singularity. Here, the mass of entire stars and planets is crushed into a point smaller than a needle tip. Gravity here is infinite. At this point, all laws of physics break down. Space ceases to exist, and time stops completely. But does the story end here? Or is this a doorway to another universe?
Today, we enter episode 4 of our journey. We survived the black hole's singularity, but a new mystery awaits: the white hole.
What happens to matter after entering a black hole? Does it simply disappear? Physics and Albert Einstein's theories suggest a fascinating alternative.
Meet the white hole, the theoretical cosmic counterpart and mathematical opposite of a black hole. intriguing scientists everywhere.
A black hole's gravity pulls everything in. But a white hole? It is a cosmic door that nothing can ever enter.
Instead of pulling, a white hole violently spits matter, light, and energy out.
Some physicists even believe our universe was born from a supermassive white hole. Think about it. The Big Bang was a sudden explosion of everything.
But have we ever photographed one? Not yet. While the math perfectly allows them to exist, they remain the most elusive ghosts in our cosmos. So how do they connect? Scientists believe whatever a black hole swallows is eventually thrown back out by a white hole.
The secret bridge between them is called a wormhole. Imagine the black hole as the entrance and the white hole as the exit. If this theory is true, falling into a black hole doesn't mean death. It means you are traveling through space and time. Could this wormhole transport you to a completely different, alternate universe? We will decode that in our grand finale, Episode 5. Today is the grand finale of our black hole journey. We've crossed the white hole, and now we face the ultimate truth. Where do you end up after passing through a wormhole? Welcome to the alternate universe, a place beyond human comprehension. Theoretical physicists propose a mind-bending idea. Every time a black hole forms in our universe, it creates a new universe inside it. Think of black holes not as cosmic destroyers, but as cosmic seeds. They are massive factories constantly giving birth to multiverses. In this new universe, the laws of physics could be completely different. Gravity might repel, and time might flow backwards.
This leads us to the most terrifying yet fascinating question of all. Are we currently living inside a giant black hole?
Our Big Bang could have simply been the creation of a white hole, born from a black hole in a massive parent universe. But there is a catch. Once you enter this new universe, the doorway closes. You can never return to your home. It creates an infinite chain of existence. Universes creating black holes, which create more universes, forever and ever without end. We may never build a ship capable of surviving this journey. But mathematics tells us that the universe is far stranger than fiction.
This concludes our epic 5-part black hole journey. Thank you for traveling into the dark abyss with us.
To Rising URSA and ring the bell icon for our next brand new scientific series. Keep learning and see you next time.